is
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Monsieur Bibi free a true store a true issues in a true story in Mupa. Because I am say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ansana ya doye. Charitable deeds. It's not really about the abundance of what you've gotten, but it is from the heart. The passion and the zeal say, may ye nipa doye put a smile on Obi face. I was saying that the idea you bet me I no more can stadium ne either facilities. I was saying, and it's like Kebenya a foundation. A beko so na I support idea na all.
What you call us no?
Just as our foundation, no the command FI enye ebegu.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ministry emfa. And you be here some like-minded people to say no. Omo was a passion to support people no. Nan command raises and yes sir. Oh, I will have no asama tone. And only obi ayo. Now
Eja Toma, you ne dia banya asem ketwa. Na obi akofa galon.
Herbert launch, Herbert you know.
Ti kroma asem there.
May night disaster no. Ya set a fund that was eco support to obi. No obi and no obi di yeye. Nti ahanu no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You need a genuine people bia. Omo passion and zeal to support Adiana Oye no. Nanka how they are so monster. Nanka omo man the legacy no. Elio for me, in your football near the back Atsu. And they said the father Adiana so yeah say no more be asu mpo say ono no you.
So on your mo an hwehwe ani move ni bi.
Debi oya
obi ye papa no all right. But ya na nipa nim
ne manager no.
No
it take omo a long time to say omo catch and say afedi so omo ye bibia. In fact, prisoners no omo be yi prisoners na no ma the last year
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Eh Atsu na you omo fra no omo ni wa interview. No omo bisa there na do ba prison omo kan nyina no bisa say obi asay e bia a fine of e bia 5,000 Ghana cedis na de want me antwa na de wa ba be pia no. Omo wia no bisa say o sie tua ma wa nipa no so ka be excited about it. Ya omo kan say Atsu atua ma. We say nipa no da form. So really the gentleman it's made for good words. Now watch say enye dukubo tie me. Enye dukubo. Na kasok she. Na say obi ye nyamedwuma.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
There's that enthusiasm and zeal so this smile ebeto obi enye try ya boga kachi tax akese enye dukubo enye kasok she abusi enye titles enye jara ya Akoma no ni de be
titles me to say
abusi reverend doctor prophet doctor there be akwani ni be but adia na oye nyina and onim o hwe Lukaku no trainer you could clearly see say enye hwehwani mu so ade but you know they could see his lifestyle and the players be omo interactive he's a good person some of them be omo come ntimi nka say be a Christian because they don't even know but omo ntimi ka sure say he's a good person oh one in China and say it's like we say we are footballers there na or they were changing the definition of who footballers per way footballers per se he is a definition of a different brand of a footballer.